What up, I Snag? What up, I Snag?
Bye, Snag. Came out here to fish the West Texas Kayak tournament out at OH Ivy. I came a day early to come get some creek fishing in where my grandparents live. See if we can get big. Also, the first day I'm out here throwing the Fish Hunt new Gizzard Glide. 7 inches, 2.8 ounces, got a solid glide. And an even nastier rate of fall. See if I can get bit on it today. I've never thrown it. All right. Just shaking it up, seeing what gets bit, what doesn't. Oh, buddy. He came out after that jig on the burn. Yeah, that was like a 2. Oh, buddy. On the retreat? Yeah. Fatty, bro. Dang, dude. Eating. Look at that. You think he wanted that chatterbait? Look at them red old pretty lips. They are eating shad, boys. We might have to call it quits and go to the ranch. God damn.
You choked it.
Hell yeah, he did. Started out the creek in town. Now we're at private access to the creek, old son. Never gets fight in the old Jackson down the creek. Manny already had to take an access with the pistol. Stay tuned to his video. Check it out. All right, boys and girls, let's try to get on them. Big old West Texas giant. Dude, hey, I'm gonna have to charge. Hey, it's $50 an hour here. Check it out, I Snag. So the difference between having private access and fishing public land, look at this. Oh!
Third cast in.
Yes, sir. Oh, dude. Holy tang. Let me hold that, dude.
Feel that chunker.
Hold on. Son. That's a fact Texas foot. That's a Central Texas football, boy.
Hey, heart of Texas. Giant. Let me get my scale out. He came right off of that brush pile.
Hell yes. Dude, if we catch like a 23 today, it might go f***ing 8.
5 even.
Oh. Hey, good shit, boy. Stacking heavy out here, son.
Fish of the day, or the spot number 2, 5-pounder, like 20 inches. Hey, where's your bowl?
Oh, here, let's see. Freaking nuts. I'll get a good photo for you. Check it out, I Snag. Dude, look at that belly. Y'all gotta make sure you're subscribed.
Look at the stripes. This side, look at those stripes.
All right, I Snag. So I didn't even get to make a freaking cast before Manny caught that nice. That was the fattest, shortest bass I've seen in a while. Definitely the fattest one of 2019. It was 19.25 inches, mouth closed, 5 pounds even. Slurped a nunya lure. Check it out, ice snag. Look at that fatty, man. They're all freaking fed well here. And this guy wasn't coming off. He was hooked in the roof of the mouth. He still ain't coming off. Oh, look at that, through the hole of his eye.
You were just showing me how he caught that one he just caught. And he got a toad! Another 5-pounder or what?
Freaking ice snag.
I turned off the camera. Oh my god.
Dude, that's a freaking football.
Dude, a football.
Probably
Another 5.
We'll put it on the thing. I'll take a picture of this one because I probably
Check that out. Creek giant. Golly.
Nah, he's probably like
4.
Let me see. If I had to guess, I say like, what does this go by? Points, right?
Yeah,
I say he's like 398 or 3.9.
No, that's a 4.
Fish, I bet you, is like 18 inches mouth closed. Man, he says 4. I say just under 4.
4-1.
A 4-1. A 4-1-2. Freaking footballs, dude.
Hey, I called it. 18.5, 4-1, 4-2.
Bro, look at that.
Football, boy.
Let's go. Dude, that's crazy. I'm gonna get a foam pick just because that's stupid. That's a 4.12 pounder that don't even break 19 inches. If these fish aren't, I don't know what they're eating. They gotta be eating shad, mud bugs, perch, worms. Who knows? But whatever they're eating. They're eating well. All right, ice snag. We finished the day. Just kind of checking out the creek out here. I caught a nice like chunky 3, that fat 4. Manny caught that freaking fat 5. So 2 fish, almost 10 pounds in a body of water that probably most people don't think have nice fish. Do not think that big fish don't live in small water. So tomorrow we got the tournament, West Texas kayak fishing. We'll see how that goes. Gonna get some nice home cooked meals tonight. We got Manny over here with the loppers on the La Fuente property. Stay tuned, guys. I'll do another video for the tournament. We'll see you tomorrow. What is up, ice snag? So that's what we're dealing with. I have been paddling for easily 45 minutes to maybe travel 2 miles against this 25-mile-an-hour wind. Almost comical at this point. Yep. This is what we're dealing with today, boys. You've got to be shitting me. Just fucking pack it up. We ain't gonna catch nothing, man. Not at 2 o'clock, it's 1:49.